for eggs. Why don't you help him?
I found that many eggs.
You're just interested in the chocolate, huh? Here. Lorelai. Lorelai.
So look.
Lorelai.
Hey, look. I'm gonna look, Mom.
Wow. Good job. Lorelai.
Hi.
That's for Lorelai to find, buddy.
I want to get the Elmo one.
Get that for Lorelai. Lorelai, look. Can you find him?
Mom, can I get that one?
Yes. Yes, you need that one. Good job, buddy.
Lorelai.
Lorelai, you gonna find eggs?
Oh.
Oh.
I see one right there.
There's one.
Put it in my basket.
Put it in your basket, honey.
Oh.
Put it in there. Good. Can you find more, Lorelai?
Mom, can I
What?
go look in the kitchen for some?
Sure. Lorelai, you gonna look for eggs?
Wait.
Yeah.
There's one in here.
Lorelai, Bradley's finding all the eggs, honey.
Not behind you. I think there's more eggs. Well, are you insistent of chocolate? Are you insistent?
You gonna find some eggs, Lorelai?
Oh.
Aw, thanks, buddy. That was really nice.
I found it right there.
There's a lot of stuff to look at over there. She's not really into it.
Want to do more eggs?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, how did the Easter Bunny know that I like eggs?
That you like eggs?
Yeah.
I think Easter bunnies just assume that everyone likes eggs. Lorelai?
I found an eyeliner one
Oh.
down there for Lola.
Here, I'll take that.
Lola.
Lorelai, why don't you find some eggs, hon?
Lola. See you got. Wow, Lola, that's amazing. Wait. Who can't eat those?
No, not right now.
Only I can eat those.
Yeah. She'll eat them someday. Wow, look at that. Got a couple more to find, I think. I'd look in the room where we eat, the dining room.
Come
Come on, Lorelai. I'll take that. Come on, let's look for eggs, Lorelai.
I found one like. I found it was right there, and when I was looking for eggs in the kitchen, I just go right past it.
Lorelai, come here, hon. We got eggs.
Sorry, Mom, I got all the eggs that were in here.
Nope. I see one more.
Okay. Lola can get that one.
Thanks, bud.
Lola, there's one more egg in here. Can I put it in the basket?
I wanted her to find them. Maybe she'll get...
No, still not the job.
Where else do you see eggs, bud?
What?
Where else do you see any?
I want to more eggs.
Who's that? But that's for who to find?
No. Who got one over here?
I know, but that one looks like Elmo.
Who got two Elmos? And I got two Elmos too. And who got two Elmos? And I'll see what she's gonna put. Who got cow on the back?
Thanks, bud.
Let's see what kind of water you got. How did the Easter Bunny know that I got really like yellow?
The Easter Bunny knows a lot of things. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Are you allergic to eggs?
What?
Are you allergic to Easter eggs?
No.
Oof.
It's snow.
Hope not. Just,
Since Lord not find that one.
yeah, you can get it. Lorelai, don't open that yet, hon.
Lucky.
Oh.
Is there more?
I see at least one
One more?
in this room. I see two now that I'm looking. Here she comes.
Look, there's two more kids. So how do we find them? Oh, yeah. And here. Not in there. What are you looking at?
Lorelai, you looking for eggs?
Look, I found one. Now, where's the other one? I don't know what the other one is.
Why don't you look where you usually sit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is there any more?
I think there's one more in the kitchen.
I'll put on the...
It's tricky.
It's actually down low. Look everywhere that's down low. Because I can't reach it. In the sink.
Oh, you found it. Good job. Alright, there's some more in the living room.
Okay. No,
Lorelai, we're not eating those yet, hon.
that's not food. That's not food, Lorelai. That's not food, you know. You know, that's not food.
Oh, thanks.
That's right there.